Right, well this is the South Col, and it's a bit windy. A lot of it's probably just funneling and channeling because the forecast isn't this bad, and like I said a few moments ago, it's due to drop this evening around about 8:37. And I hope it does. I also hope I don't need a poo. Sorry watchers and viewers. Anyway, we're going to be going up into there, but not in this maelstrom. It's got to drop. If it doesn't drop, we'll spend the night here and go tomorrow night. You can see how stuff just gets blown away. You know, if it's left here and it's unattended and it's not properly guyed down, it's just going to get trashed. Having said that, there is an eco expedition this year and they've been doing loads of charging up. I've seen them bringing loads of stuff down, which is cool. And I tell you what, they've got some brilliant sastrugi. I don't know whether you can see it actually. No, maybe not. But yeah, there's this awesome sastrugi. Anyway, there you go. There's the South Col. We're here. That's where we're going. Wish us luck.